Today we're going to put legs on our pinball machine. Check the video description for links to parts. Let's get to it. We start by fitting the legs to get some measurements. We're shooting for 24 inches from the bottom of the cabinet to the bottom of the foot on the legs. Then we mark the positioning of the top of the leg and the holes for the bolts. Then, I forgot to film the drilling for the first leg, so I'll show you the second one instead. I carefully start with a straight hole and gradually turn the drill so that I can get the angle right. And ream out the holes a little to give some wiggle room for the bolts. Then we fit the bolts into the leg bracket, but I don't think you want to see the back of my elbow for 30 seconds, so we'll skip over that. Followed by tightening down the bolts to set the bracket into its place. And a quick, "That's not going anywhere," nudge. With the bracket set, we add screws to the bracket to keep it in place even when the bolts are removed. Then we move to the front legs. The target here being 20.5 inches from the bottom of the cabinet to the bottom of the feet on the legs. And then a lot of reaming and adjustments later, we have the leg and bracket in. And tighten the bolts down to draw in the bracket again. Followed by attaching the bracket to the cabinet using screws. With the holes in the cabinet all done, it's time for the cabinet's final sanding. I didn't film the whole thing, but you get the idea. And here it is, ready for inside paint and outside stain. We'll do it for this video. Join us next time when we build the back box. As always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up to date.